How to connect BSC to Metamask. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to connect your Binance Smart Chain into your Metamask account. So first thing, you can go to your browser and go to metamask.io. From here, you can scroll down to information about how you can get started, and you can just click on download on the upper right corner. And here you can see that it's available under Edge, other browsers being supported, even on Android and iOS. Here, what you just need to do is click on download for Edge, and then here you can just click on get so that the extension would be available for your Microsoft Edge. So you just need to wait for it to load up. Once fully loaded, you will be routed into another page, and it will inform you that the extension is now complete. There you have it. It will automatically route you into this page, and you'll need to get started. You can create your new wallet, or you can use existing wallet that you have. From here, you just need to make sure that you agree to the terms and conditions or to the policies on how to use MetaMask. You can read these informations given and then click on I agree. From here, you just need to create your own password, and you will need to secure your wallet as well. So there's additional security measures given. So this can be done later on, but it's highly recommended by MetaMask. And here you will need to take note of the recovery phrases. That's a total of 12 phrases. You need to choose or take note or copy these information. Once all has been copied, you can go ahead and click on next. This may take a few minutes. Make sure you will be able to take note or copied all these phrases. Once done, when you click on next, they will be confirming if you had the phrases correctly. Then you can just go ahead and click on next until you have completely installed MetaMask into your browser. And here, once completed, they will inform you the additional features that you can use, even for NFTs. You can definitely use MetaMask to view your NFTs. So you can click on exit or the exit button on the upper right corner. And then from here, for us to connect your Binance Smart Chain, you can see it's currently under Ethereum rather. And then you can go to the Ethereum where you can add a network. Or another way for you to do this is that you can click on your profile and go to settings. Under settings, what you need to do is go to networks. That's on the left side panel of the screen, and then you can click on add a network, and there you'll be able to see BNB Smart Chain. That's for the Binance Smart Chain that I'm mentioning earlier, and then you can just click on switch to BNB Smart Chain, and then you just confirm it, and there you have it. You have now connected MetaMask into your Binance Smart Chain on the account, and that's how you do it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.